Welcome to our channel!
In today's video, we just want to show you how you can go live from your YouTube channel under 1,000 or even without any subscribers on your mobile phone. If you're new to our channel, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell below to notify you on our next video.
Here are the 7 steps how to go live stream on YouTube under 1,000 subscribers using mobile phone.
What is live streaming? It refers to online streaming media simultaneously recorded and broadcast in real time.
Let's start! First, go to Google Chrome. Type studio.youtube.com.
Sometimes when you get to the website, you will automatically sign in like ours. If not, you have to sign in.
Second, click the 3 dots below and select Request Desktop Site. Third, go to Videos and click Live.
As you can see here, we don't have any live stream video. How can I go to a live streaming?
Make sure you enable live streaming.
To do this, let's go to the 4th step. Click Get Started, then go to Stream New Classic and select Get Started. You have been now enabled for live streaming. Here you can add or put your basic information. You can add title and description too. You can also set a schedule, select your category, and privacy. There is also a stream options and you can add card. And here you can also read the live streaming checklist, how to set up encoding software, add stream info, optional features, and go live. The 5th step is to download the Streamlabs app. Sixth step, open Streamlabs and log into your YouTube channel. You're all set up. Get started now and begin live streaming to Twitch, YouTube, and more. The last step is to click the live stream button.
Basically, using this app, you can easily go live stream under 1K or even without any subscriber on your YouTube channel. We're done!
We have now our very first live stream on the list.
Hope it helps you. Thank you for watching.